We'll start with boiling the potatoes first. So first we will take a deep dish and fill it with hot boiling water and then set the potatoes inside the boiling water and let it cook for at least 45 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and soft. While the potatoes are boiling, we will start working on making our dough by adding 4 cups of whole wheat flour and start mixing it with a little bit of water at a time and start mixing it with our fingers very carefully, very slowly. Do take your time. Please don't rush while you are kneading and mixing the flour. Keep adding a little bit of water at a time. You do not want to put a lot of water, which will soften the dough a lot. Keep mixing and kneading it until the dough turns nice and smooth and soft. And then just simply cover it with a plastic wrap and let it sit for at least half an hour. Remove the potatoes once they are boiled nice and soft and put them on a side where they can cool down for a few minutes. Once your potatoes have cooled down, make sure you mash them really nice and well until they are nice and soft. Next, go ahead and add all your spices to your potato. For each paratha, you will need two 5-inch diameter circles to go on top of each other to complete one bread. Next, we will go ahead and place half a cup of the potato filling over 6-inch diameter circle, leaving an inch free all around. Place the second dough circle on top and using your fingers, pinch the edges shut. Using your rolling pin, roll out the paratha until it approximately has a 10-inch diameter. Once your griddle is hot on a medium heat, place your bread on it and cook it for a few seconds by pressing on it very slowly until you start seeing some bubbles on the top. And then just simply flip it and cook it on the other side as well for a few seconds, and then apply some butter or ghee on the surface. Flip again and cook it by pressing gently using a spatula. As you press, it will puff up if it is rolled properly. Otherwise it won't puff, but that is fine, it will taste great. Again, apply some butter or ghee on top and also around the edges. Keep flipping it on both sides. Cook the other side as well by pressing lightly. You know your bread is cooked and ready to be served when it turns nice and crispy and brown from both sides.